This is so cute. Ah!
Clump!
Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana's Summertime. In today's video, I am so excited because I am going to be combining two of my loves, YouTube and TikTok. I am going to try some curly hairstyles that went viral on TikTok. In a curly hair routine, like diffusing routine. Then we're gonna do a hairstyle, then we're gonna do a hairstyle, then we're gonna do another hairstyle. I'm actually on TikTok myself.
You do?
If you want to follow me, then
You're
that's
my
my
best
TikTok.
view.
Lana Summer X is the same as my Twitter. And also you can subscribe to my channel by hitting the red button right down there and turn on your notifications as well so you don't miss my videos. Only if you want to though. Before we get into it, tell me in the comment section down below, what do you prefer? TikTok, Instagram or YouTube? This video is kindly being sponsored by Skillshare. And we'll talk more about that a bit later on. Let's get into the video, shall we? It's 10 p.m. in the evening right now and I just started filming a video.
Ciao. Anyways.
My hair is wet and it needs to be like styled. I need styling products. So there are some of those type of videos here on TikTok. So the first one is from this girl and she's kind of yelling at us, but I don't mind because she's giving us good advice. It's like tough love.
I'm gonna teach y'all how to diffuse your hair because I did not know for the longest. First, get your leave-in conditioner. That clump, yes. And as Yo Gotti says, I tell all my hoes, rake it up. Now rake that shit through your hair just like this oil, okay? Do the same damn thing. Flip! Okay, good. Now section your hair. Get a brush, a paddle brush, a Denman brush, I don't give a fuck brush, and brush through your hair, okay? Look at that. Great, beautiful. Then, you gonna get some gel. Don't rake this through. It's gonna hold your curls. Clump! Clump! Ah!
And here's the biggest difference between the way that I do mine and the way that she does hers. So actually there's two major differences. The first one is that I always brush all of my products through. So even when it comes to my gel, like my curl defining gel, I still brush it through to make sure that it's evenly distributed and all of my hair is coated with the same amount of gel. Whereas she says, don't brush it through. She says, because it's going to hold your curls in. And the other major difference is that she says to diffuse heat high and fan high, which is like the total opposite to how I diffuse my hair. I actually diffuse my hair on the lowest heat. I don't diffuse on cold because I feel like that just takes too long. So I diffuse on the lowest heat and on the lowest fan because I don't want to blow all of my curls out. So I'm interested to see how this high heat, high fan works on my hair. So before we do that, I'm actually going to combine this with another video that I saw from Kayla Alicia. So it's a curly hair tutorial and it combines a curly hair routine like a wash and go with a hairstyle. So we're going to do both in one. So she separates the front half of her hair like this. Now I take the rest of my hair down and she actually applied a few more styling products. Okay. She took a little brush just to smooth this down, so I'm going to do that too. And then she didn't mention which heat or speed setting she had the diffuser on, so that's where I'm going to combine both of these tips. It's now 10:30 and I don't want to be here all night, so I think high speed, high fan, that could actually be good for us. So let's do that.
Now get a blow dryer. Diffuser on. Heat high, fan high. Just let it dry. Let the gel set. Once the gel has set, then you can go into your roots and dry your roots. Massage them a little. Then you can go in once they dry, do the thing that you see in every video with curls. Go up, up, up.
I think that my hair is now about 90% dry. Still a few bits like at the ends and stuff that could do with a little bit more drying time, but I am about to pass out from the heat. It's a warm July evening and I don't usually use my diffuser on the warmest heat. I think I can still get a good look at the curls though, and just like tell you what I think. So I just want to quickly give my reaction, my opinion on the first video, like the hair routine tutorial kind of thing. As far as like the curls at the end, they're still like defined, there's still ringlets there and stuff, But I did a curl routine last week with using only black owned hair care brands, which is what I've used today as well. But I just did it a little bit differently. Like, I actually combed through my gels and made sure they were evenly applied, and I think it did make a big difference because I'm looking at my hair now compared to that wash and go, and those curls do just seem to be a lot more even, whereas like with this I'm not getting ringlets towards the tops. It's definitely more focused on the ends of my hair because that's where I put the gel when I went scrunch. For me, yeah, I think I'd still want to be sectioning my hair, still combing it all through. I personally don't think that you need to use the diffuser on the highest heat and the highest speed. Everyone that I've spoken to about my hair says to use the low speed because the high speed can kind of blow out the curls sometimes. It came alright. It came out alright. It came out alright. Let's continue with the other one. So for the next one with Kayla Alicia, I just need some edge control up on here. Get that looking sleek. Okay, and the last thing that she does is she takes up like the next section of hair, so like the bit in between.
I like the view. You do?
I like this hairstyle. You guys know I love a half up, half down over on this channel, and this is a really cute way of doing it. But this is actually such a nice little hack just to keep this sleek, because you know I love having my hair just like down like that. So after all of that, I took a bit of a break to get ready again. So that's what you're seeing right now. This hair is the result of that wash routine. It seems like a good time to talk about today's sponsor, which is Skillshare. So Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of online classes ranging from anything from lifestyle, productivity. I was even on there this morning looking at videos that will help me to get my splits, because I've been trying to get my splits for the longest time. There are so many other creative classes like crafts, illustration. I think it's a really good creative outlet, and I thought that this video would be perfect to talk about that because we're talking about TikTok today, and because I see TikTok as a really creative platform. So if you're really into TikTok, if you're really into creativity, then I think there'll definitely be something for you on Skillshare. And that is why I am so happy to be able to offer a gift to you. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description box right now will get 2 free months premium membership with Skillshare. Don't miss it, guys. Make the most of it. The link is right down there. So we're back. We're rolling. The next hairstyle that I want to try is from Draco Des. She has so many videos that are viral. Everything's always really fun. She always kind of sings along to the song that's in the video. I really just had to narrow it down to one video from her that I wanted to try. So first of all, she starts off spraying her hair with water. So we're just gonna refresh these curls, juice them up a bit. Another thing that I just noticed is that Draco Des is really young. She's only 16, and I know that that's not very young in TikTok terms, right? Everyone on TikTok is really young. It's like the lyrics, they're like really mature lyrics, and I know I wouldn't have been allowed to sing along to that when I was her age. Then she's using the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. I used to love this back in the day, but now I've started to steer clear from it because I realized if I use it too much, I feel like it has the overall effect of drying my hair out. But short term, it's great. Short term, it gives amazing results, gets my curls looking curly, juicy, shiny in one take. So I'm literally just running that into my hair, generally refreshing. You guys, these lyrics! Is this allowed? So she takes just like a section like this, and then she doesn't really show you how she tied it up. Okay, you don't really need to brush the whole thing out, just kind of go like this. So I'm going to tie it like this. Then I'm just going to kind of wrap it because it looks like it's just kind of secured with another one. Let's just turn that one into a little bun too. I want mine to be bigger, like hers are really big. Anyway, it's time to lay some edges down. She's over here using this bright blue thing. I don't even know what product that is. If you guys know, then please tell me down below because it looks interesting and it works really well on her. But for right now, I'm going to use the TGIN Smooth and Hold Edge Control. She didn't actually explain how she did her edges either. I might have to go and fix the buns because I messed up the buns. I did kind of struggle to follow along with that one just because it like moved really fast. So I'm just going to switch it up really quickly. And now I understand how a lot of you guys feel when you're watching my videos, because I have a lot of comments in my videos saying like that I went over something too quickly or I skipped something too quickly. And now I know. So instead of using hair ties to secure this, I'm going to use bobby pins just because I feel like they work better, especially in my hair.
But they didn't raise my opinion. Yeah, he gone up the perk, now he raised I don't think that it wanna keep. Cause he like every other week. My and I told him to leave. You buy money, that's all that I need when I get it. I don't even speak. And if he asks, I'ma charge him a fee, baby.
Oh, I tried. I can't. I don't think I could do these TikTok videos because I get too shy and I just can't say these things. So that's this hairstyle. Overall, I love it. It's popping. I love Draco Des. I love her videos. And that's the look. Okay, this next video is by CC Chanel. So I'm going to give you a little preview of the video and then we'll do it follow along. I don't want you guys to see all of it because then this video would be really long. I feel like you can already see she's being a lot more detailed than the other video, so hopefully I'll be able to get mine to be exactly like hers. So first things first, I think she took a little triangle at the top of her head like this. So I'm going to do that too. I'm gonna wet this side down again, even though she didn't actually do this in the video, but I figure she's probably done something like this. So I'm just gonna wet it down again. So then she really quickly cornrows these parts. And she just twisted it like this. She's gonna take a section like this right here. How is people's hair just like not tangled when they do this? I don't even know what's what now. I don't know what's what. I don't know what's going on. And she just ties this up loosely. Then she shows us some products and I'm just gonna stick with my Cantu because this is just a great refresher. Okay, then we can come back to this part and we can finish it up and get it looking sleek and niceified. Okay, that is really cute. And then she does the whole. I am officially sold. I love this hairstyle and that tutorial was really easy to follow. Oof. This is so cute. So that was it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching because I definitely enjoyed making it. Tell me in the comment section which one of these was your favorite and should I make some more videos like this? If so, tell me which videos you want me to react to and I will see if I can create that for you. Anyway, I hope that you have an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. Also, get me on Instagram for all of the blessings and the breakdowns because I put it all on there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!